Okay, so my theme is health and wellness, and I chose a third grade standard because that is the age that I would like to teach when I become a teacher. The standard I specifically chose was 3.1.1, identify the link between healthy choices and being healthy. This is important because the students start to learn that the choices they make affect them and their health. They recognize how to care for themselves and in return learn better and feel healthier. And then physical, social, emotional, and mental should all be taught, and they should all be expressed that they are all equally as important. So the individual objectives for each. So physical, students learn about the body, the muscles, the joints. They learn about exercising, stretching, eating healthy foods, and how to do all of these things to stay healthy. Emotional and mental, which is very important. Students learn to be kind to themselves and to others, and that talking about their feelings is okay. It's okay to have feelings, that when they're feeling sad or any sort of emotion, they should talk about it. Social, students get to interact with their classmates, learn how to be kind to each other, good friends. They get to root for one another and help each other be healthy. And then a way that I thought technology could be included was to fill out a weekly wellness tracker, which would be online. Students could even do this where they could see one another's, tell them that they did a good job in this area. The only thing I would change is I would add, where it was mood, I would maybe add a bigger area just where students can talk about how they were feeling that week. And I just thought this would be a good idea to involve the technology and for students to be able to see what their wellness is throughout the week.